Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and again today we have brought you a tutorial video regarding how you can change your streak emoji on your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, please do like our video, share and do subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So just go to your Snapchat app. Once your app is open, just click this profile icon on your top left corner. Click that icon, and once your profile is open, go to this setting icon above. Click that. Yes, so scroll down and go to the option called customize emojis. Click that option, and here you can see how you can set your emojis for everybody, and you will have your option called snap streak. Click it, and then now you can choose any of the emojis that you want to feature. Yes, you can just choose any of the picture, and you can simply go back, and now your snap streak emoji is changed. So this is how you change your snap streak emoji. I hope this video has helped you. Please do leave comments below so we can make another video according to your need. And yeah, thank you so much everybody.